Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about Uber. Is this stock about to rip higher or is it breaking down? We're going to talk about all that in this video. So looking at the chart here, shorter term, you sort of have this inverse W formation here that's actually broken down, and a way you can go about trading this is you can actually short versus this breakdown here. So you can short versus this 30-50 level, and you can short versus like an hourly close or a daily close back above that level. We should see over the coming days a move to this 138.2% extension and this 161.8% extension. So I think a decent way you can go around trading this is actually shorting it right here, since the price is actually right back at these pivots here. So I think you can short the stock right now. So I think the way you go about trading this is you short versus these pivots here, and then you trim half of a position here at 29.05, and then you hold the rest to this 161.8% extension. I do think when you get this move down to this 138.2% extension here to this 161.8% extension here, you'll have a decent entry on a long position. If we do hold above these lows here, you can long versus these lows as close as you can get to it. So you could short here and cover at 29 and then flip to the long side and then add versus these lows and put the risk below them. Longer term, you also have this long-term 38.2% Fibonacci level right at 29.20, so there's a pretty big overall demand zone here. Usually this is where you'd look to buy a stock when it's retracing, and that's the level that we're about to come into. So I think you'll have a decent entry to get long the stock here once we come into that 38.2% Fibonacci level at 29.25 again. Now, oftentimes on these long-term Fibonacci levels, you'll see like one day break below the level and then the next day closes back above. That happens often on these long-term levels to run stop losses, and then usually it's followed by a V recovery and a break back above wherever it broke down from. So yeah, I think you can short here and you can target this 29 level, and then you can try and long versus these lows and try and get the best entry you can versus these lows here. Anyways, that's my views on Uber. I do think you can short the stock here versus this pivot here, and you'll get a move down to this 29 level, and then you can flip to a long position. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and leave a like.